Blender has so many tools that it has to divide these tools up into their own individual workspaces for easy access. By default, we're in the Layout workspace, but you can change your workspace depending on the type of project or stage of your project in Blender. For example, the Modeling workspace, located here, is specified for 3D modeling. If you're going to be sculpting your objects, you can use the Sculpting workspace. UV editing for creating 2D maps and projecting them onto your 3D objects. Texture painting for creating custom texture maps and materials. Shading to use the node editor to create more realistic materials. Animation to play and preview animations and keyframes. Rendering to view rendered results. Compositing to edit your renders after the fact. Geometry nodes for a different workflow for creating objects. And scripting in case you want to create more advanced levels of 3D modeling using Python script.